Hikey girl. So we down and around to the five below, whatever. And we're doing a little bit of what? Retail therapy because the world is completely crazy. So all my dog moms, if you are, looking for new treats, new like leashes, harnesses, anything connected to your doggy, go to Five and Below. You'd be shocked. They have the cutest dog treat makers. They look like little waffle irons. They're literally $5. They have some of the cutest dog beds. A lot of us hairstylists bring our pets to work, so this is definitely the cutest place to go where you can match